Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this black and white flash effect in CapCut Mobile. So first, just add your clip and then head to filter. Here, find the mono category and add your favorite black and white filter, but I'm going to go with black and white 3. Click on a check icon. Now add a keyframe at the start and set the filter to 0. Now move forward a bit. Click on keyframe again and now set the filter back to 100. Now you can just repeat the steps to how much you want the flash on your clip. Okay, like this. Okay, so I've already done adding keyframes to the video and you are done, and this will be the white and black and white flash result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.